Hair. The thin, thread-like parts that grow on your head. Eye. One of the two organs in your face, which you use to see with. Nose. The part of your face through which you breathe and smell. Tooth. One of the hard, white objects in your mouth that you use for biting and crushing food. Ear. One of the two organs on your head that you hear with. Mouth. The part of the face that is used for eating and speaking. Lip. One of the two soft, red edges of the mouth. Neck. The part of the body between your head and your shoulders. Example. His black hair gleamed in the sun. Her hair fell in curls over her shoulders. She looked at me squarely in the eye. The eye is the organ of sight. I have a stuffy nose. My nose won't stop running. The dentist will treat my tooth. He chipped off a piece of his tooth. He whispered something in her ear. May I have a word in your ear? Open your mouth wide. Samuel closed his mouth. She pressed her lips firmly together. His lower lip trembled. She had a gold chain around her neck. A person has one head and one neck. Shoulder. Where your arm joins your body next to your neck. Nail. The hard surface at the end of your fingers and toes. Thumb. A short, fat finger on the side of your hand. Finger. One of the 5 long, separate parts at the end of your hand, including your thumb. Hand. The part of your body on the end of your arm that has fingers and a thumb. Arm. The long part at each side of the human body, ending in a hand. Example. The teacher tapped me on my shoulder. I put my hand on her shoulder. Will you cut your nails? His nails were too long. He caught his thumb in the door. She had a painful cut on her thumb. He has a gold ring on his finger. The paper is stuck to my finger. One hand washes another. A clean hand wants no washing. Justice has a long arm. He laid a hand on my arm. Leg. One of the parts of the body of a human that is used for standing and walking. Knee. The middle part of your leg where it bends. Foot. One of the two flat parts on the ends of your legs that you stand on. Toe. One of the 5 separate parts at the end of your foot. Example. He has cut his leg. He is lame in the right leg. I grazed my knee when I fell. Steve banged his knee. I am sorry, I stamped on your foot. Every shoe fits not every foot. I stubbed my toe on the step. She stamped on my toe. Chest. The front of your body, between your neck and your waist. Side. One of the halves of the human body, on either side of the median plane. Stomach. The front part of your body, just below your chest. Back. The part of your body, from your shoulders to your bottom. Waist. The part around the middle of your body, where you wear a belt. Hip. One of the two parts of your body, above your leg and below your waist. Example. Her heart was pounding in her chest. What size are you round the chest? Lie on your right side. Stand with your arms by your sides. His stomach bulged out over his belt. The sweet food lay heavy on my stomach. He was lying on his back. He felt pain in his back. The skirt was too big around the waist. She wore a wide belt round her waist. The skirt is slit to the hip on one side. She folded her arms above her hips.